We're trying to find the average revenue for these two products. And it tells me that last year the manufacturer sold twice as many units of Q as P. So the number of units of Q would be twice the units of P. Now, how do you find average? Well, average will be where you sum up the amount of revenue you have and divide by your number of units. So your amount of revenue will be $20 times however many you sell. I'm going to call that P, plus 17, that's the revenue we want to Q, times however many you sell, divided by your total number of units, and that would be you got product P plus product Q. Now, we are trying to find what was the manufacturer's average unit. Okay, so I've got an equation that's got two variables, but we know that Q is 2P, so just substitute that in. So that will give me 20P plus 17 times 2P all over P plus 2P. So everywhere there was a Q, I'll put a 2P. So that's 20P plus 34P all over 3P. And this is 54P divided by 3P, and the P's cancel, and 3 we're going to 54, 18. So your answer is $18, and that is E.